Take 3 balloons of different shapes and sizes. Blow air into all 3. Do the air-filled balloons appear different from one another? That is because originally they had different shapes and sizes. Air has no definite shape or size. It occupies the shape of its container. Go to a park nearby. Start running in a straight line. Put a handkerchief against your body and continue to run. Does the handkerchief fall? No, it doesn't. The air around exerts pressure on the handkerchief and makes it stick to your body. This activity proves that air exerts pressure. Air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere is known as the atmospheric pressure. Air becomes less dense at higher altitudes. Therefore, the atmospheric pressure decreases as altitude increases.